Meaning of empathize.
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 Empathize. The word empathize means to understand and share the feelings of another person. When someone is able to empathize with another person, they are able to put themselves in the other person's shoes and see things from their perspective. This allows them to connect with the other person on a deeper level and build stronger relationships. Empathy is an important skill in personal and professional relationships, as it can lead to greater understanding, trust, and cooperation. Overall, empathy helps create a more compassionate and connected world.